Good morning, first graders. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. We are halfway through the week. Be sure to check Seesaw for an activity from Mr. Downs. You can hop on with me for office hours from 11:30 to 12 o'clock, and I'll be teaching a live lesson at 1 o'clock. This is my last day with you this week. I will be gone tomorrow, Friday, and Monday for my wedding. I'll miss you all. Love, Miss Rimmeride. For your greeting today, find somebody to teach how to do a triple high five to. Then for sharing, comment on our Seesaw post and share with us what will be the first thing you do when we get to go back to Park Terrace. I cannot wait for the day that we all get to be together again. So what's the first thing you're going to do when you get to walk into our school again? And lastly, for your activity, I want you to count to 120, and we've done this together in class where we do different exercises for every decade, so every 10 numbers. So I want you guys to do that, but you get to pick your own exercises. See if you can get your family involved too. Have an amazing day, and I will still post lessons for you on Thursday, Friday, and Monday, but I will not be available for you guys to call or email or do WebEx with. So I will get back to you on Tuesday. Have so much fun, and I'll miss you guys.